Okay, this is how we connect up one of the universal thermostatic mixer valves, and we do a regular mixer valve in this. You've obviously got this connection braided hose, you've got your top selector, which in this case is a 4 output, but we obviously do in a 2 output, a 3 output, a 4 and a 5. And these has threaded, although this has threaded outputs, we also do a version with push fit, which is secured by way of a Jubilee clip. So with this connecting hose that joins the two together, you've got an angled piece like this, and then there's a straight edge piece like this. Now the angled one always connects to the bottom bottom block, which in this case is the thermostatic one. So it just literally screws on here, hand tight for now, which you can then tighten watertight with a pair of mole grips or adjustable spanner. And then the top one, which is a straight edge one, that literally connects to the top piece here. Simple as that. And then once it's in situ, like that, it'll sit like this. And you've got the option then, obviously it'll go down to about 100 mil centres, something like that. And again, if you go fully extended, you're looking at probably around 200 mil centres, I think, but most stuff out there's between 100 and 150 mil, so it'll cover those dimensions perfectly. And that's it, straightforward as that.